Hello, I am Graciela Gonzalez from monoDrive, and this is a short tutorial about how to add sensors to the LabVIEW client using the function palette. Navigate to the block diagram. Right-click on any white space and then navigate to Add-ons, monoDrive Client, Sensors, and in this case, let's add a radar sensor. Let's do the same process for adding a mono LiDAR sensor. On LabVIEW, to connect the inputs of a VI, you can click on the input and then drag the wire to connect to other wires. In this case, the yellow wire is an error wire. Let's do the same for the error output. You click on the input and then you drag into the input of the other VI. In this case, the error merge. The function palette that we use in this video was installed when you installed the LabVIEW client through the VI Package Manager. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. For more information, please review https://monodrive.readthedocs.io. See you next time.